Once upon a time, in a cozy little house on Earth, there lived a curious girl named Luna. She was 8 years old and loved staring at the stars every night. "I wonder what's out there in space," she would say. One evening, as she lay in bed with her telescope by the window, a shooting star zoomed across the sky. "Make a wish," she whispered. Little did she know, her wish for adventure was about to come true. Suddenly, a small robot named Astro appeared in a puff of sparkly light. "Hello, Luna. I'm your space guide. Let's explore the solar system together." Luna's eyes widened with excitement. Holding hands, or in Astro's case, metal claws, Luna and her new friend floated out of the window and into a magical spaceship. "First stop, understanding our solar system," Astro explained. "It's like a big family of planets orbiting the sun, our bright star that gives us light and warmth." As they zoomed away from Earth, Luna saw her blue planet getting smaller. "Earth is our home, with oceans, forests, and animals," Astro said. "It's the only planet we know with life like us." Luna giggled as they passed fluffy clouds. "Remember, kids, the solar system has 8 planets, plus dwarf planets like Pluto, and lots of moons and asteroids. The sun is a giant ball of hot gas, not a planet. It's so big that over 1,000,000 Earths could fit inside it. But we can't get too close. It's super hot, over 5,000 degrees Celsius on the surface." Luna shielded her eyes from the bright light. The sun's gravity keeps all the planets in orbit, like a game of cosmic tag. They watched solar flares dance like fireworks. Without the sun, there'd be no light, no plants growing, no us. Luna nodded, feeling grateful for their starry parent. Fun fact, the sun is a star, and there are billions more in our galaxy. Mercury is the smallest planet and the closest to the sun. It zips around the sun faster than any other planet. 1 year here is just 88 Earth days. Luna jumped in low gravity. But days are long. Mercury spins slowly, so one side gets scorching hot, while the other is freezing cold. They explored gray rocks and deep craters. No air to breathe, so astronauts need suits. Luna learned that Mercury has no moons, making it a lonely racer in space. Remember, exploring teaches us to be careful with extreme places. Venus is Earth's twin in size, but oh so different. It's the hottest planet, hotter than Mercury, because of thick clouds trapping heat, like a greenhouse gone wrong. Luna peered through the yellow haze at volcanoes and lava flows. It spins backwards, so the sun rises in the west. They couldn't land. It was too dangerous with crushing pressure. This teaches us about climate. We must care for Earth's air to avoid Venus's fate. Luna promised to recycle more at home. Venus has no moons either, but it's bright in our night sky. Ah, Earth, the third planet, perfect for life, with water covering most of it, air to breathe, and just the right distance from the sun. Luna saw continents, oceans, and swirling weather from space. We have one moon that causes tides and lights the night. They landed virtually on a forest, spotting animals. But we must protect it from pollution and waste. Plant trees, save water. Luna felt proud. Earth is special. Let's keep it that way. Over 7 billion people call it home. Beyond Earth lies a rusty neighbor, Mars is known as the Red Planet because of its iron-rich dust. It has the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, 3 times Everest. Luna roved over canyons and polar ice caps. Thin air, cold, but maybe water underground once flowed here. They imagined ancient rivers. Humans send rovers like me to explore. One day we might live there. But Astro added, we learn from Mars to value our own planet's resources. Mars has 2 tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos. Now, into the outer solar system. Jupiter is the largest planet, a gas giant with no solid ground. Its great red spot is a storm bigger than Earth, raging for centuries. Luna marveled at colorful bands and swirling clouds. Jupiter has over 90 moons. Europa might have oceans under ice, maybe even life. They dodged asteroid belts nearby. Its strong gravity protects us from space rocks. Luna learned gravities. Pull keeps things in balance. Pause, storm sounds. One day on Jupiter is just 10 hours. Super fast spin. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings made of ice and rock. It's another gas giant, lighter than water. It could float in a giant bathtub. Luna counted thousands of ring particles. Titan, its largest moon, has lakes of liquid methane and a thick atmosphere. They imagined alien landscapes. Rings teach us about how planets form from dust disks. Be curious like scientists who study them. Saturn has over 80 moons, more than Jupiter. Uranus is an ice giant, tilted on its side, maybe from a big crash long ago. It rolls like a ball instead of spinning upright. Luna saw faint rings and blue methane clouds. Very cold, with extreme seasons. One pole in sunlight for 42 years. No solid surface, just deep ices and gases. This reminds us space is full of surprises. Keep asking questions. Uranus has 27 moons, named after Shakespeare characters. Neptune is the farthest planet, another ice giant with the strongest winds, over 1,000 miles per hour. Dark spot storms come and go, like Jupiter's but bluer. Luna held on tight. Triton, its moon, shoots icy geysers and orbits backwards. Cold and distant, but beautiful. Space probes like Voyager taught us about it. Technology helps us learn faraway things. Neptune has 14 moons and faint rings too. As Luna and Astro flew back to Earth, Luna reviewed all she'd learned. From the sun's warmth to Neptune's winds, the solar system is a wondrous place. Remember, kids, Astro said, be curious, protect our planet, and dream big. Space is for everyone. Back in her bedroom, Luna hugged Astro goodbye. Thank you for the adventure. She woke up, inspired to study stars. And who knows, maybe one day you'll explore too.